Okay, back with another one. This is a short one, 7 minutes, 18 seconds. I do want to start making my videos longer. I'm still up in the air about that. Um, but again, have tons of videos, especially of the red dress. I have quite a large collection of the white ones too. This dress that I'm making. Not as many, I think. Um, well, actually, it's turning out to be quite a bit because I am still shooting and I have mistakes that I'm also shooting because I wanted to put that up to show that if I have an issue, I'm also exposing that. I'm not trying to keep it under wraps as if I just jumped into this with this amazing talent. I did teach myself and I did go to school, but I do make mistakes, and so I am just trying to be as transparent and straightforward as humanly possible. If you see anything you need to call me out on, call me out. The BS, I'm not going to tolerate it. No hate. This is a safe space, so feel free to speak your mind. Manufactured, invented, conjured, construed, misconstrued, disinformation, misinformation won't be tolerated. So, I'm looking at a book right now I have in my hand. It's called Black Designers in American Fashion. And I also have Patrick Kelly's Runway of Love manual I purchased from the DeYoung when I went to that exhibit a couple years ago. I have a lot of fashion stuff. So I'm going to be diving into that stuff, along with me doing these voiceovers here of me trying to get my line up and going. Right now, I am putting notches on my belt loops and the pockets. That notcher is not working like I want it to work. I think I don't have a good notcher, to be perfectly honest. So the other thing I wanted to do was make a shift to my format. I want to be able to have me in the background working like this and then have a little smaller window, kind of, sort of, or half a window or a third of a window of me live, again, with me in the background doing that, and me going over my fashion stuff, my marketing books, maybe a tiny bit of politics because I don't like politics. It's getting kind of boring now because of all the disinformation out there. So I'm trying to stay away from that as much as possible. Yet fashion is political, as we know. I have some schoolwork that dives into that stuff. So I may not be able to avoid politics to a certain extent. But yeah, right now the book I have in my hand is Black Designers in American Fashion, edited by Elizabeth Way. The book is by Bloomsbury. And again, I have the Patrick Kelly Runway to Love book over here with some other books. I'm going to be diving into those, talking about fashion, hopefully. And if I can get the live to work like I want it to, I will actually show you the books and read the passages and discuss where I'm going, where I see myself, how I fit into this fashion world, and hopefully give praise where praise is due, and put out some pretty good content. That's the hope. That's the free dress giveaway. You have to be subscribed in order to win. It's still cut out. It's ready to be sewn together. As soon as I reach 2,500 subscribers, I will be giving this dress away. I'm still debating on trying to figure out how I will choose a winner. I guess I could give it to the 2,500 person. But I don't know how I would do that because I'm new at this. So maybe that might also be the one of the ways I get this dress out. If not that way, it's going to have to be some kind of an auction thing, like a random number generator or a game or a guessing show or something like that. So anyway, I can't wait to dive into this book or these books, this material. I only had 7 minutes on this one, so that's why I'm not going to dive into it. Also, the de minimis tax tariff rule that was reversed, I think it was in April or whenever it was, whenever 47 reversed that rule. I was looking at that. I have a bunch of pages up, and I had to do a deep dive and find out, because it affects me indirectly, because I'm making my stuff here, but a lot of people are getting their goods from overseas, and so they're going to be affected. And according to the experts and the articles out there, prices are starting to go up. So I don't want to take advantage of people, but I also want to sell clothing. So I'm going to be speaking about that as well. See, I'm getting political. It has to get political because this is the world we live in. So there will be some boring political stuff that will come down the pipeline. I'm just warning you guys, because that de minimis boogie monster is out there. So anyway, I'm coming up on the end here. So again, this was a 7-minute clip. I'm again thinking about making these longer so I can rant and ramble for 40 minutes instead of 20 minutes. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.